Okay, now that we have Kali Linux installed, I want to give you a basic overview of this operating system in this lecture, so that you're comfortable with it. And we're going to be using it throughout the whole course, so everything is going to become easier for you as we go through the course. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is the status bar in here. So, you can see we have an Kali logo in here. And inside it you can see all the applications are categorized. So we have information gathering applications, vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, reverse engineering and so on. So you can go on each one of these entries and just select any program that you want to run. And here we have some shortcuts. As we open folder inside this you can see we have our downloads, music, pictures. So the first thing that we have in here is the workspaces. So Linux comes with multiple workspaces by default. Basically what this allows us to do is we can have this desktop in here. For example, if we open a terminal here, do some work here but if we go here to workplaces and go to the second one, you can see that I have an empty desktop that I can do whatever I want. For example, we will open Firefox. And then again, if I want to go back to the first workspace, all I have to do is click on here. We can add more workspace from here. Now you can also navigate between the spaces by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus left or right. At the right top you can see date and time, Wi-Fi networks, sound controls, notifications, power controls, lock button, and shutdown button. Lock